Hello, it's Sujay. I'm from MS Agarwal Foundries. It is for MS Life 550 600 grade brand. I welcome all the consultant engineers, builders and consumers. It's regarding VR video who wanted to visit our factory and see our manufacturing process. So we thought this technology of VR video will help us in reducing time and saving money and energy. So we thought we will virtually take our factory to the consumers and to the builders and to the consultant engineers. So in this virtual reality, my request is you can see all around each and everything, the sky, but then while the voice-over is explaining about certain process, certain procedures, so kindly focus into that area so that you will get the best out of it. Blessed that I am working for an organization from last 9 years where the company had started backward integration because of certain quality problems. And from the time we started backward integration, we have complete control over our chemistry and physical properties. And today you won't believe we surpass BIS standards, and the witness, the proof is the big projects who accept our product at a high premium price.
Raw material, inward process, iron ore and South African coal. Come and take a look of our manufacturing unit, Maruti Ispat. Our constant endeavor for manufacturing quality products has made us to think of backward integration 9 years ago and started manufacturing smart sponge iron at our ultra-modern factory, Maruti Ispat, at Madavaram village near Mantralayam in Kannur district. Iron ore. Since our factory Maruti Ispat is near to Ballari iron ore mines, we have got the good accessibility to source the best quality iron ore from NMDC. Coal. We import world's best quality coal from South Africa to maintain the standards. Dolomite. Dolomite is an important ingredient and acts as a desulfurizer. Raw material quality control is necessary to prevent product failure and ensure constant level of quality as well as safety in consumer and industrial products. Occasional testing of this type will help keep up our company reputation for exceptional goods and save costs by contributing to prevent product recalls. Round hooper crusher iron ore. In the primary process, the iron ore and coal are escalated to crushers to achieve the desired shapes and sizes. Now you can see the coal and iron ore is shifted from hooper to the crusher through conveyor belt. Kiln. The rotary kiln is 70 meters in length and 4.4 meter in diameter. Iron ore and coal fed into the kiln are initially preheated with the liberation of heat from the volatiles from the coal in the 1/3 of the kiln. Then the reduction starts and iron oxides are reduced to metallic iron. The rotary kiln process is a well-established process for production of coal-based sponge iron. Rotary kiln is provided for reduction of iron ore into sponge iron using non-cooking coal as reductant and dolomite as sulfur. As the kiln rotates, the lining transfers the heat to the charge. Charged materials preheated to about 1000 degrees centigrade enters the reduction zone. Temperature of the order of 1050 to 1100 degrees centigrade is maintained in the reduction zone. The sponge iron manufactured and stored is sent through pre-designed pipes which directly loaded on vehicles placed for loading. After loading the sponge iron, the vehicles are weighed and completely packed with tarpaulins and are ready for sending to our factory at Tupra, which is in Medak district of Telangana state. Power plant. Char generated in the plant is stored separately for use as fuel in the power plant. The gases generated from afterburner chamber ABC are of high temperature and has a lot of heat energy which is utilized for the power generation through the waste heat recovery boiler. We can feel 360-degree video, that is virtual reality. Sponge iron is shifted from Mantralayam to this factory. This is 0% pollution manufacturing units under our Go Green concept, which contributes to our plant. You can see the process of converting sponge iron into liquid steel. Once the desired temperature and chemical composition is achieved, it is poured into ladle. This is very important, where the desired chemical composition achieved. This helps us in achieving desired physical properties, surpasses BIS standards. This process, sending freshly made billets for rolling, is called direct charging. As the billets are hot at 1600 degree centigrade, the steel is in jelly form, and it is very important to achieve their desired physical shape within stipulated time. The cast billet will be cut to the predetermined length by oxyacetylene gas cutting machines and are put on the cooling belt for self-temperature. CNC machining is a process used in the manufacturing sector that involves the use of computers to control machine tools. Tools that can be controlled in this manner include lathes, mills, rotors and grinders. Rolling mill. The billets are then taken for production in the rolling mill. During the production process, inspection is done at various stages. The non-conforming products are identified and segregated properly for recycling. The finished product is then subjected to the final inspection, visual inspection and physical property, and a lot number is allotted to it before being stored in the finished product yard. Rod cutting, packing and bundles. As one of the rebar processing equipment, the rod cutting machine plays an important role in the steel industry. Our rod cutter machine is designed to make short work of cut through regular hot rolled steel bars. Laboratory, physical and chemical. MS Agarwal Foundries Private Limited has never compromised on quality. The quality control lab is furnished with advanced equipment like universal testing machine, spectrometer, hardness testing machine and microscope along with other necessary devices. These are primarily used to measure continuous quality improvement of the products from various angles at various stages of production. Cut and bend fabrication. Modern structures designed by architects and structural engineers around the world need steel bars to be cut and bent to exact specifications, ensuring precision and consistency. There is a lot of wastage and space with MS Agarwal Foundries Private Limited that employs the latest Italian imported machines from Schnell, helps to getting precise cut and bend bars made from the state-of-the-art machines without the hassle of scrap disposal. This fast and efficient service is capable of managing inventories better by reducing material wastage